Steal this hack to create endless amounts of content for your coaching, agency, or course business today. First thing you're going to do is go to chat.openai.com. You're going to choose GPT 3.5 because it's free. Click right here, send a message. This is the prompt that you're going to type in. Chat GPT is going to pop out with a specific number of prompts based on what we've just put in. This is what it looks like, and it starts immediately. The cool thing about this is you're able to shift exactly what you want in terms of tonality and the number of prompts that you're looking for. Then go to Google Drive, click New, and create a brand new Google Sheet. Now go to File, Download as a CSV. Go to canva.com, make sure you have a free account. Next, you're gonna wanna use a Canva template. Now click where it says Apps, which is over here on the left. Come down to where it says Bulk Create. Then choose Upload CSV. Once you've uploaded your data, you're gonna go ahead and select and click right here where it says Connect Data. On the left-hand side of the page, you're gonna see all the quotes that you ended up uploading from that CSV file. Click the button that says Generate, click it one time, and now we just auto-created over 60 different quote cards. So you don't have to think harder or work harder, you just work smarter.